Alexa, what's the weather today?
Right now in Buffalo, it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Motherfuckers, started out being a bad motherfucking day, but the mailman ran. Mailman sure can make a bad day good. At least in my neighborhood you could. I'm rapping or rhyming, however you look at it. But anyway, and I ordered some racing wheels from boostedscatpack.com. Shout out to Boosted Scat Pack. I also follow them on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm Johnny Mopar TV on Instagram too. So, you know, Snapchat, same handle. YouTube, same handle. Everything. But anyway, I ordered the wheels from them. You know, based on I kept Google searching and a lot of different places that came up. But I checked the reviews, and the reviews was always good for his Boosted Scat Pack. So I ordered them, and first I didn't hear anything, so I'm thinking it's gonna be a while. Like, oh shit, like what the hell I done got into? Because I thought it was gonna be a while because I didn't get no shipping information and nothing like that. And then I checked my email, and it was actually the next day that the order had shipped, and actually I got them like within a week. I got the Dragstar 17s, 17-inch black chrome Dragstars. Awesome wheel. They look really nice. You know. Now I'm gonna wrap them in the Mickey Thompson the ET Street R's or the ETRs. I guess it's a difference between the SS and R type. I don't really know, but currently I got to set up a 20s, Mickey Thompson 20s on, and I guess I'm making too much horsepower because my car don't do shit. It just fucking spinning and just sit there all day, and so, you know, of course spinning ain't winning, so definitely got to get that squared away. So, but actually I was going to order a Hoosier drag slick, and again I was Google searching and found a place called Tread City Tire, local to me in New York, in North Tonawanda, excuse me. Went over there, you know, and told him what I had, and he was like, "Oh man, I could have got you some wheels, you know, at a cheaper rate or whatever." So he actually had a pair, you know, there. You know, they was ugly as shit, but you know, for the price, like he gave me a price I couldn't refuse because I wasn't sure if I was gonna go with the Mickey Thompson or the Hoosier Slick at that time. So when I went and spoke with him, you know, he ran the setup on his Hellcat. He has a Challenger Hellcat, and he runs that Hoosier drag slick on the wheel that he had. Actually, I'm gonna post a picture of that wheel too. But and he ran with the Hoosier and that setup, and he said he had a blast with him, no spin and all that stuff. So I was like, well, for the price, for just the tire, the Hoosier tire, and he said I get those. He had basically pretty much throw the wheel in with it, no brainer, So I was thinking whether I was gonna send the other wheels back to boost the scat pack, but thought about it, like, you can never have too much rubber, especially if you plan on doing the shit that I plan on doing. So I'm like, well, if I'm having another set of tires, why not keep the other set of wheels? Shit, I have them already. And plus, we want to go through the hassle of, trying to package them back up and send them back down. It's just too much bullshit to go through. So I said, forget it, I'm gonna keep them. So actually, the guy from Trans City called me back the very next day. Was like, well, the Hoosiers is in, and the wheel was wrapped up and everything. So I shot over there and got them, but I hadn't placed the order for the Mickey Thompson 17. So it's like I'm still like waiting on those. I end up finding them online, which I should have just went back to him, but it was just, I don't know. Sometimes we get a little caught up in the shit that we do from day to day, and it was like I just was online that night or the next night, and I was like, fuck it, and I went on and ordered them off eBay. I do a lot of eBay shopping and Amazon shopping, so, but hopefully they'll be in this week, so then that way I could see which one I like better. But I'm told you can't really drive around on the Hoosier drag slick, so that would probably just be strictly for the track or race night in Mexico. But for the most part, I'm happy with the decisions that I made, and I just gotta see if it's gonna hook up, because I was seeing a lot of people doing that 15-inch brake conversion. I'm not really sure if I wanted to do all of that, but never know. I might do it, might not. But depending on how I hook up. If I can hook up and get some real good traction with these drag slicks or these Mickey Thompson Street R's, then why go with the brake conversion? But then if I can't hook up, I'm gonna have to change it up. But right now I'm making quite a bit of horsepower. I'm making roughly 880 to the wheels. So, and still debating whether I'm gonna do a little bit more, change the pulley and go even larger injector, because right now I'm running a 1050 injector with a 295 pulley, and I was gonna go down to maybe the 285 and 1300 cc injectors, and didn't really see how she moving around with that, but I don't know. I just gotta check it out and see what's working, see what's not. But hopefully this weekend, if it's not too wet, I get to play around with the car. I should have some time this weekend to see if I like the Hoosier or the Mickey Thompson. Mickey Thompson should be in, but of course I know everybody gonna say I'm gonna get more traction with the drag slick, and that's fine by me, because that's really what the hell I want. So at the end of the day, I keep y'all posted, and I know I always say I'm gonna post more, but it's like it's hard. I gotta my job, and then trying to take care of a lot of stuff. I wear many hats. I got a lot of stuff going on, so it's hard to really sit down. Like, I could shoot videos all day. Actually, I do, but it's just the editing part. If I could just slap them, shoot them, and load them up, I would. But then I don't want to hear, oh, that video's so sloppy, and nah. You gotta make sure the sound levels and all that shit. So it's like it's rough. But like, long story short, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try to get it a little more involved, and like, I'm really learning the editing part. That's one thing I really took pride in, learning the editing stuff. I haven't put out any videos with no extravagant editing, but I like the more cinematic look and the more cinematic stuff. So I'm gonna try to start implementing a little bit more of of that cinematic stuff I've been learning into my videos to see how you guys like that. You know, hopefully you like it. You know, if not, let me know. You know, in the comments. Well, I know y'all vocal as fuck. Anything y'all feeling, y'all say that shit. You know, I don't mind. I just don't like all the fucking clowns and negative stuff that, you know, people say. If you don't got nothing good to say, don't say it. If it's negative and it's like criticism, but I can learn from it, fine, spit it out. Let me hear it. But just talking shit just for the hell of it, or just because your fingers is working across the keyboard, leave it alone. You know, find something better to do or skip to another video. But you know, quick question before I go. I'm wondering, should I keep the Trackhawk stock, being that it's so fucking heavy, it's a tank? Or should I do a little light modding, heavy modding? You know, I don't know. Give me some suggestions. What y'all think I should do? You know, it's already supercharged, so don't say that one. And no, I'm not about to put a Whipple on the fucking thing. Not just yet, anyway. But you know, there's some different mods, performance mods, something that y'all might like to see. Maybe something that nobody's done yet, except for putting wings on that bitch and trying to make it fly around the motherfucking moon. That I don't want to do. Yeah, but I don't know. I'm out here trying to do this fucking video in the rain. I don't want to hit it because I got regular tires on the car. Listen at that motherfucking blower. Yeah, baby, she's talking hella shit. Hella shit. Hella shit. I love the way that supercharger wind up. Definitely winds up, sound real good when she do that. Sound real sexy. Actually, the truck do that shit too. The Trackhawk do it. That B Woody. Actually, on this I got the LMI intake, which I mean night and day. Even with the full exhaust, you still can hear it whining. But that on that Trackhawk, that B Woody is amazing. Amazing. Alright, well shit, I ain't really want nothing. You motherfuckers ain't have shit to do any goddamn way. But you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Which I see a lot of you motherfuckers don't subscribe. Well, I don't understand why the fuck not. But you watch the fucking video. I don't get it. What you got to lose by subscribing? Tell me that.